Welcome. If you use Telegram and want to add an extra layer of protection to your chats, enabling the fingerprint lock is a quick and simple way to keep your messages safe. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up step by step, so you can keep your privacy protected with just a touch. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to secure. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner. Depending on your device, you'll see either the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, or your profile picture. Tap that to open the side menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. This is where all your account and privacy tools can be found. Once you're inside Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. Here, you'll find all the controls you need to manage your data protection options. Now, scroll until you see Passcode Lock. Go ahead and tap it. Telegram will now prompt you to create a passcode. Choose a secure passcode that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. You'll need this as a backup in case your fingerprint lock can't be used for some reason. After entering your passcode, look for the option that says Unlock with Fingerprint and toggle it on. Once you do this, your device will use its fingerprint sensor to confirm your identity. From this point on, you can unlock Telegram with a simple touch whenever you open the app. That's it. You've successfully enabled Fingerprint Lock on Telegram. It only takes a minute, but it makes a big difference in keeping your conversations private and your data secure. Whether it's personal messages, work chats, or important files, adding Fingerprint Lock ensures that only you can access them. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to secure your Telegram now and enjoy extra peace of mind knowing your account is protected by your fingerprint.